Hey guys, so today's video is all about basically the new hair trend on how to straighten your hair. I've been wanting to try this forever and I'm so excited that I did because this literally took me less than 5 minutes to get my hair completely straight and I'm obsessed with it. The hair straightening brush that I'm using today is by Miss Queen. The heat settings goes up to 450 degrees and you basically, just plug it in like any old regular hair straightener and you just take out your hair. As you can see, mine is very messy, very tangly. I wanted to make sure in this video that I did not brush my hair, touch my hair, basically just took it straight out of the bun. And so once I got the straightener to be all heated up, I just basically started brushing my hair like I would normally do with a hairbrush. It literally took me less than 5 minutes, I kid you not. This is my first time even trying a hair straightening brush. I wasn't sure how it was going to work, but I actually think I'm going to start preferring this over the regular flat iron because this way when you're brushing your hair you make sure you get every strand and every piece of hair versus me all the time. I sometimes will miss pieces when I'm just flat ironing my hair. Again, this was my first time ever using a hair straightening brush and I am very pleased with it. Like, I have nothing bad to say about it. It was just super easy and fast, and especially with me, I hate getting ready these days, so this is just gonna make my life a whole lot easier. If you guys want to check it out, I will have the link down below. I also personally think that this would be an awesome Valentine's Day gift for you to ask your boyfriend to get you or you to treat yourself. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. But this is just a really quick, fast video for you guys. I will have a lot more videos for you guys soon. And yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!